The 2026 Kia Sportage has just faced the IIHS Updated Moderate Overlap Front test, and the results are impressive. Built after May 2025, the Sportage achieved the highest possible rating, good overall. The structure and safety cage performed strongly, maintaining excellent protection for the driver. Injury measures were nearly perfect, the head, neck, chest, and hips all rated good, while the lower leg and foot received an acceptable grade, still a strong result. Rear passenger protection also improved, thanks to enhanced seatbelt systems, earning good for head and neck, and acceptable for restraint performance. In short, the 2026 Sportage shows robust engineering and top-tier crash safety, placing it among the safest compact SUVs in its class. If you found this safety breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. For more detailed crash test reviews and car safety insights, right here on the channel.